Good morning, friends. This is Kiran sir from Vatsalabai Vanwadi School of Scholars. We are discussing the English for 8th standard. Today we are going to deal a poem on the grasshopper and cricket. Everyone have an idea about the grasshopper and cricket. Okay, these are the insects. Okay, so this poem written by John Keats, and actually everyone knows that John Keats wrote the poem related to nature things, and this is the nature poet also. So let's discuss about the John Keats and its information. See the page number 40. John Keats 1795-1821 is considered one of the greatest of English poets. So everyone knows that John Keats is the famous poet. The son of a livery stable keeper. Livery, every time wearing a uniform. So having a manservant, this is called the livery. The son of a livery stable keeper. Everyone knows that the meaning of stable. घोड़ों को हॉर्स को जो उनकी देखभाल करते हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड द स्टेबल कीपर. ओके, सो उसका वो जॉन किट्स वो लड़का था. किट्स अटेंड द स्कूल एट एनफील्ड, इंग्लैंड. At the age of 16, he was apprenticed to a surgeon. You know surgeon? Keats gave up surgery to write poetry. So, at the age of 16, he appointed as a apprentice for the surgeon, and after that, he leave that job and start to write poetry. His first volume of poem appeared in 1817. It includes I Stood Tiptoe Upon a Little Hill, Sleep and Poetry, and the famous sonnet on first looking into Tupman's Hammer. So, where we are discussing about the sonnet. Sonnet means this is the poem of 14 lines. This is called a sonnet. So that's why John Keats famous for the writing the sonnets also. In the selected poem, we get a good idea of Keats' love for nature and his knowledge of it at first hand. So actually, in our starting lines, we discuss about the John Keats, and that's why we know that John Keats having the love for the nature. So that's why poem of the John Keats mainly depend on the nature and natural things. Okay, so this is the information of John Keats. Let's start reciting the poem. So open page number 39. We are discussing the we reciting the poem. Okay, the poetry of earth is never dead. When all the birds are faint with the hot sun and hide in cooling trees, a voice will run from haze to haze about the new mountain. That is the grasshopper, he takes the lead. In summer luxury he has never done. With his delights, for when tried out with fun, he rests at ease beneath some pleasant weed. The poetry of earth is ceasing never on a lone winter evening when the frost he walked a silent from the stove there thrills the cricket song in warmth increasing ever and seems to one in drowsiness half lost the grasshopper among some grassy hills. So in this poem, John Keats describes about the grasshopper and cricket, natural things, and he presented the grasshopper and cricket. Okay students, in next period we will explaining about this poem. This poem you have to write in your notebook, and after that words to know, hard words, difficult words. This portion also you have to write in your notebook. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.